How do the QMJHL playoffs work? If you are curious about how the Quebec Major Junior Hockey League playoffs operate, you are in for a treat. The playoffs are an exciting time for hockey fans and players alike. Let's break down the process step by step. The Quebec Major Junior Hockey League playoffs use a structured elimination format to crown a champion. This champion will then compete in the Memorial Cup against winners from other Canadian Hockey League member leagues. Starting with the 2025-26 season, there are some changes to the playoff format that make it even more interesting. First, let's talk about playoff qualification and seeding. The league is divided into two conferences, East and West. The previous four-division structure has been removed. Now, teams are ranked based on their overall standings in the league. The top teams from each conference qualify for the playoffs, but the exact number of teams can vary based on how the season goes. In the first round, teams play against others in their own conference. This is called intra-conference play. The matchups are determined by seeding, typically pairing the highest seed against the lowest seed. This setup keeps the competition fierce right from the start. Once the first round is complete, the format shifts. From the second round onward, the playoffs adopt a league-wide reseeding approach. This means that the highest remaining seed will face the lowest remaining seed, regardless of which conference they belong to. This change adds an exciting twist to the competition. Each playoff series is a best-of-7 format. This means that the first team to win 4 games will advance to the next round. This format continues through the quarterfinals, semifinals, and finals. It creates a thrilling atmosphere as teams battle it out for victory. The ultimate goal for teams in the QMJHL playoffs is to win the President's Cup. The team that wins this cup will then representing the QMJHL in the Memorial Cup tournament. Here, they will face off against champions from the Ontario Hockey League and the Western Hockey League, along with a host team. The QMJHL playoffs are not just about winning titles. They provide young players with a chance to showcase their skills under pressure. Many players who aspire to play in the National Hockey League gain valuable experience during these playoffs. This experience can impact their future careers and draft prospects. In summary, the QMJHL playoffs combine conference-based initial rounds with league-wide reseeding in later rounds. The best-of-7 series format determines the league champion, who then moves on to compete for the Memorial Cup. This setup ensures competitive matchups and gives teams a clear path toward national recognition.